Hello, my name is Jeff Stoffel. I'm a technology solutions professional with the Microsoft TS2 team. Today we're going to talk about demystifying Azure site recovery. It's important to note that most causes of IT disasters are operational failures, not natural disasters. The four largest causes of failures include power failure, IT hardware failure, network failure, and IT software failure, all four of these being operational failures. 3 out of 4 organizations are at risk by not properly planning for disaster recovery. We've also noted that most downtime is due to operational failures, as shown in the last slide, with over half of the downtime due to hardware and system failure, along with human errors. 80% of the apps that are considered mission critical are not yet able to meet the recovery time objectives using backup. Also, the inability to test is shown as the most common reason that organizations have a lack of confidence in their disaster recovery plans. When we talk about disaster recovery and backup, it's important to note that you really do need both. It's important to have a disaster recovery plan in place so that if your applications have a failure, we're able to run them in an alternative location such as Azure or a secondary data center. In addition, we require backup so that if the data would ever become corrupted or potentially lost, we can restore this data back to the original or alternative location. With Azure Site Recovery, we're able to hit multiple different scenarios with one solution. We're going to be able to automate our VM level replication and failover. We're going to be able to meet recovery point objectives of seconds and recovery time objectives of minutes. We're going to be able to account for both planned and unplanned failover, as well as failback support. In addition, we can do DR drills with test failover and no impact to production. As you can see, we can leverage Azure Site Recovery to extend our data center to Azure to take advantage of the cloud services it provides. We can also leverage it for disaster recovery. What we'll do is we'll protect our applications by replicating them to Azure that we can fail over to and fail back in the event of a catastrophe.